Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Fashionably Grateful. We are going to go into Walmart. I want to see what's the latest. Y'all, it's getting cold outside. Y'all see how people dress? I'm in Florida. And look how I'm dressed. I'm tripping, right? Nah, it ain't too bad. That sun coming down makes it feel so much better. But I am going into Walmart. We're going to check out the fall and going into winter fashion. I heard there's a lot of sweaters. There's definitely a lot of boots. They got some new fall flats too I want to check out. So let's see what it hits for, y'all. I sound crazy. Alright, y'all, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss nothing. Alright, y'all, let's go. They definitely have some stuff, y'all. Some cute stuff. Now, y'all know I tried on these free assembly dresses before. We're not gonna do that again, but these for definitely sure we are going to try on. Like, what? Look at this skirt. Now, this is a size 8. What's the biggest size y'all going to? Child, I can't even try on a skirt because they too small. Way too small. Oh, I hate when they do that. And then look, here go the jacket, and here's my size. Walmart, y'all losing me. I'm telling you why, because I have a problem with you not bringing in double XL clothing in the store. Like, where's the skirt? How I'm trying one? What size is this one? This is a 16. I don't think I can get a 16. I don't know. Let me carry it just in case. But I might have to find something weird to try it on with. But I see I got Scoop in here, which is awesome. I love these sweatpants. I got a pair of these, actually. I have a pair of these sweatpants, but these look like gauchos for real. Or do they? No, these are extra small. That's why they're so little. Yeah, I got a pair of pants like this, and they fit amazingly. I do have this sweatshirt as well, but I have it in a V-neck. But y'all, the way this stuff feels, it's like warming and cooling at the same time. Is that crazy? It's cute though. But I'm mad about this outfit. Let me see what size they got this one in. Okay, this is in double XL. Okay. Oh, that's a little big though. Let me see if they got it in an extra large. I done finally put it in double XL and I'm complaining. Ain't that crazy? Okay, we're gonna do an extra large in this one. And the top, you have it in every size. Okay, amazing. Amazing. Okay, let's do it. I'm happy about that. Okay. Y'all done redeemed yourself, so good for y'all. Let me see what else we got. We got jeans. These are barreled. They look like they're barreled out a little bit, which I love that. But again, we're only going up to size 16 in the jeans, and I know that they have jeans in bigger sizes online, but they're only going up to 16 in the store. It's crazy, right? I can't fit these. I can't get them on. I'm not gonna be able to close them. Do they stretch at all? Let me see. Oh, a tiny bit. Not really. Not much at all. Okay. Behind here, yeah, that's all that they got. Let me see what these sweaters look like. 2 cable knit type sweaters. Extra large. These are these Christmassy sweaters? Oh, these are cardigans. Uh-oh. I might have to grab a cardigan and see what it looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna have to grab a pair of jeans for that. I know that we have, like, what's it called? Terran Sky, stuff like that. I know that they're gonna have jeans in my size, so we're probably gonna have to do that. But look at all the sweaters that they got. Like, They really got some sweaters. Look at this one with the flowers all on it. Ain't that adorable? This is cute. I'm gonna have to grab these. Super, super cute. And one thing that I do want to tell y'all to do is look this dress up right here. That dress up, I'm gonna put it in the shopping basket. It's on sale. Matter of fact, let me see what it's saying on the sign. These are cute too. That's really cute. But what it's saying on the sign, yeah, it's saying clearance prices as marked, but it's not marked. Maybe this isn't a clearance dress. Oh, $21. I thought this dress was cheaper than 21. It's saying 21. Maybe it is 21. Maybe I don't remember what it was saying. But $21 for that. Look at the men's sweaters over there. They got some cute stuff in here. I'm telling y'all, Walmart be stepping it up. They really, really, real deal do. The flannels, y'all know I like to make skirts out of my flannel. Super cute, right? This free assembly skirt done went down to $19, and that lets you know something right there, that it didn't sell very well. As they shouldn't. Like, I didn't like that skirt. I'm sorry, I didn't. All right, let me see if this skirt is... No, they don't have this in my size either. But look, I do like that sweater because this is like eyelets. You can see through it. Hold on. It's a weird thing to want to see through your underarm, but it's cute. I like how it has the sleeves right here. Gives it like that little up right here, I would think. I like that. It's a sweatshirt fabric though. And y'all know I can't tell what the prices are because they take the prices off of the tags nowadays. But I do love this one. Does this black one have? Yes, this black one has flowers on it too. All right, y'all, I'm gonna have to grab one of them. Did I already grab it? I did, I grabbed it in white. All right, y'all. What do you think about the jacket? My thing is I don't really have much to try on with the jacket because I don't have any jeans. But yeah, I think this is pretty much it. This is all free assembly. So this is gonna be a free assembly type of day. Here's some more stuff over here. Oh, I'm trying to get my basket turned around. I'm so sorry, y'all. With one hand because I'm not wearing my glasses right now. But y'all see this has a bow on it. Super soft fabric. Let me see if I can grab this in a black in my size. Yes, it's gonna be all the way in the back. Does it have a bow on it? It does have the bow. Okay. All right, y'all. Let's see what we got here. I gotta go find me some bottoms to go with it. And then we're gonna go from there, okay? Let's go! Okay. The outfit's cute, right? I love it. It's adorable. It's a little tight though. As you can see, it's kind of opening up right here. I mean, nothing so double-sided tape wouldn't help, but this is the double XL, and my arms, it just feels ill-fitting right here. However, ain't it cute though? Now this is a size 16 skirt, so if I was to order my size, it would fit just fine. But this is not fitting me. I cannot zip it up in the back. So I'm not gonna turn around in the back too much, but I love this outfit. Where I would wear it to, I do not know. I don't know where I would wear it to, but I love how it looks. It's got pockets. It has a belt that doesn't really do much. It's not like it's a real wrap skirt. You see what I'm saying? That's it. So here's the wrap. It should have opened with the belt, right? But yeah, no. It does not. It's a makeshift wrap skirt, but this is really, really cute. I just gonna have to, like I said, buy the skirt in my size. Now let me check to see if they even had it in my size. Y'all see how that looks? Ain't that cute? Ain't that adorable? I love how the skirt wrap kind of drops a little bit. It does have pockets that are actually functional. But like I said, I can't do too much because I can't fit it. But let me check here. Did nobody tell Siri to come up? Okay, let me check to see if what's the biggest size they go in this skirt. Because remember, they don't be putting our sizes. I don't know what they hating on, but they don't be putting our sizes in the actual store. Weird. But they put the tops, which is extra weird. All right, my favorites. So I already put it in my favorites part. Okay, so the skirt is $25 and it goes up to an XXL, but these are by number, so I don't know why it's saying that. Oh, yeah. So it does go up to a 20, but they're sold out. So all they have is a 16, so I can't get this outfit, but, oh wait, what happened? I cannot get this outfit, and then that wrap does not drop, so I guess it's because I can't fit it that it's actually dropping. I like it like this though. Yeah, I would need the skirt in the right size, in the size 20. And where would I wear this? I would wear this to work. I would just wear tights underneath it, like maybe some, what colors tights would you wear? Would you wear white or black? Oh gosh, I don't know. Maybe the brown tights that make it look like it's my legs. And then I will wear some tall knee-high boots. What color? I do not know. I'm trying to think what cut. Brown to match this, which is not really brown. It's just green and red put together, making it look like brown. Would that be tacky? I don't know, but this is cute. If I can fit it. I like it though. Cute, cute, cute. Alright, let's try the next outfit. Alright, I sized this one down. Let me tell you why. This is an XL. Normally I wear double XL, but I felt like it was, yes. Yes? That's you? Did you knock? Oh, okay. Okay, she knocked like she was the police, so that's why I opened. But she didn't say nothing. But anyway, where was I? Oh, I was showing you the stretch. Look at this. Y'all see? That is a lot of stretch. So listen. If you wear a 4XL at Shein, you can fit this, okay? You can straight up fix XL in this outfit. I promise you can. That's too much of a stretch. Like, come on now. I could fit my granddaughter in here. You know? So, you good. But yes, this is super, super cute. I love this outfit. These are, I don't know how these are put on. Okay, they're grommets, basically, because look, I hope that doesn't, like, you see how it is? I thought it was glued on, but they're grommets, so they're, like, put together, so I like that. That is really cute. I tried on something like this at Target, but it was so ill-fitting. So Walmart for the win. Much better. And it's so, like, look, I'm touching on it like this because it is so soft. So I could just imagine me at work just like all day. What you say, customer? Girl, don't you know how soft my outfit is? I don't care nothing about what you're talking about. Like, for real. This is really, really cute. And then one thing I worry about with skater skirts is me standing up and all this way up here. I don't think it would happen with this because it literally, well, it keeps rolling back up to my back, but I don't know. I think we good. We good. I can move around without having to worry about it. You know, nothing happening with it. So I think we got action with this one, y'all. This is getting tagged. Remember, I don't know the prices, so I can't shout out the prices. But look, this is a size 16, 18. And then that skirt was a 16, but it was wool, no stretch. Couldn't do much with it. But yes, I love this. Somebody's in here. All right. This one. This is a double, I'm sorry, this is an XL. So it's 16 through 18. It has a pretty good stretch also. So I would say if you wear 3X at Shein, you could wear this dress. I'm assuming people shop at Shein. I do. I still do. So that's why I'm comparing. Unless you ever get into Walmart. And to be honest with you, all of these brands, they're definitely not consistent in their sizing, unfortunately. But that's the world we live in today. Oh, I thought it made my hands black. But yes, this is cute, y'all. This is thick. Therefore, it's heavy. It's really heavy. When I was trying to lift it up and stuff like that, it's pretty heavy. I like how it looks. I just don't know, like, what I would wear. Maybe a cardigan with it or something like that would be dope. But this is definitely a dress that can be worn work, church. I'm tending to go to a lot of my granddaughter's functions. This is a decent dress for a grandmother to wear there. Yeah, just not with these shoes, okay? I know y'all getting tired of these shoes. I couldn't find a pair of shoes that would match. They're a little short on shoes. Let me show you what they got. This is the only thing that I picked out. And I don't even want to do that. I don't want to wear these with, you know, with anything really. I don't even know why I grabbed them. They did not match. But anyway, I like this dress. I like how thick it is and how comfortable it is. Like, I just like it. I like it. It's not as soft as the last free assembly outfit that I tried on, but it's cute. Definitely a grab and go type of dress. Probably some thick heeled shoes, heels or whatever. It's probably what I would wear with this, or sandals day. I mean, I'm in Florida, so it still gets pretty hot during the afternoons. Now in the morning right now, we was 56 this morning, 55. It was cold outside. So that's kind of early for that, but it is what it is. It's Florida. It's unpredictable weather. But yeah. Y'all like it? Cute? I like it.